Okay, started a new stream. Now my Discord's lagging. Let's see. Stream crashed? Yeah, man, stream crashed. It should be working now. Discord doesn't even. Yeah, we'll let people find the stream. Share the link if you guys can. Share the link for me, please, in the Telegram and Discord, because my whole thing is lagging here. I blame Lovejeet. Yeah, I saw. See, he came back and he's already disrupting. Sorry about that, guys. Stream crashed. They don't want us to win. They don't want us to win. Banks are watching? Yeah, I know, man. We'll just let a few more people find it up. That's a shame. I hate when that happens. Thanks a lot, dude. Alright, so yeah, as I was saying, for gold here, I would have wanted to see something close above here before taking buys, but it's hard at the top of the range, you know? We are at the top of the range, we're still stuck inside of the range, so it's a little bit of a tough spot here. It's a little bit of a tough spot. Where's the 4 hour? Yeah, you know, previous 4 hour closing bearish, bullish, previous daily closing bullish, buys do make sense here. And yeah, I mean, I think for gold, something closing above here is the only option. But even then, you only have a very small range, 5, 6, 7 pips here. If this was a little bit bigger, would be nice. The cleanest buys are above 1992 New York session, right? So yeah, I think New York session will be super clean if we get that there. Whole stream should be Big Brother watching. Yeah, it seems like it, right? Alright, so here's GJ breaking below this zone here. 7 minutes till this candle closes. Even if this candle closes, I'm not convinced. I will really be interested to see what it does at this level here. But even if this, I don't think this is a clean trade. 6 pips range. Max range you have even on a 30-minute closure here is around 11 pips, you know. How big would your stop be? 17 pips? Yeah, and you know, that spot is very, very, very tough spot. If you could do me a favor, guys, and just like the stream, if everyone could, because then that's how they are gonna find the new stream. Otherwise, YouTube does not push it back out. That is the problem. We've done this trade before and lost. Yeah, that's why I'm not. We identified this zone on the 4 hours, a very risky zone selling into this support here. Look at this zone, right? We looked at this zone and we went and rewinded it, and I showed you how price reacted off it every time. My picture is glitching. It shouldn't be glitching. It says it's okay. No, it should be fine. It might be you. Just refresh. Yes, sir. EU going up? Yeah, we can have a look at EU. Man, making the last stream of the new daylight saving times are hard, right? They're giving us a hard time. Always giving us a hard time. Nothing easy, man. Nothing's easy. Daily big rejection, 4 hours closing bullish. Yeah, that makes sense to continue up. Problem is, where's your range to buy? Is probably all the way above 1.05, right? Or maybe above here. Watch zone this and then push up into that. That would be the only option. GJ is not, so someone's lying. Yeah, that's why I don't cross look at it. I think GJ has low volume. I think London session this past 2 weeks have been a very tough London session, and all the trades I took this month, the winners, most of the winners came in New York. I think only this month I took one loss in New York and the rest were all wins. Did I even take a loss in New York this month? Yeah, I think one loss this month in New York and the rest was all wins. So realistically, all of the other losses came in London session, and it wasn't how the beginning of the month was slow, the middle of the month was really, really good. It was quite easy, and then as GJ started to fall back into the range, the last 2 weeks became bad again. And really this month what carried me is that gold buy. That big gold buy is what carried me. This one here. Like, these are just small trades, you know, 14 pips. This gold buy here, 40 pip gold buy. That's what carried. I think I'll stay away from JPY pairs while waiting for Bank of Japan interest rate update. Yes, they do have that. When is that? Is that today? Today is Friday. No, it's not today. So someone posts in chat. Japan will continue to respond to currency market strong sense. Separate data release. Tokyo, October, keeping pressure on the Bank of Japan. Ultra loose, yes. Due to meet next week. Speculation central bank could change its bond yield control. Wow. Wow, with a hike. That's scary. If that happens, we will see a big shift. But there's always gonna be something carrying us. Quality over quantity, yeah, that will always carry. Yeah, so we're okay otherwise though. We're okay otherwise. Yeah, this is pushing down now. No close below the range, but I'm not interested in this zone anyways. Still, I think buys above here would still be okay. I wouldn't buy with a fake out back into the range because we're mixed bias. So set up for not a mixed bias, right guys? How much do you risk per trade, percentage wise or monetary wise? Do you believe this year GJ was on low volume compared to last year? Actually, yes. I do believe that this year GJ was lower volume than last year. But it was seasonal. Like, we had some months that was really good. But last year, you know, 100 pip days were... It's kind of the same, to be honest, you know. But last year, we had a very clear trending move. So in the beginning of this year, when GJ was trending, we had some very, very good moves, you know. But what I have noticed is this month, normally this month is a slow month. You know, it's kind of, you can't predict, you just have to take it by ear. But the problem is that we got stuck in this range, and then on top of this being a slow month, the volume shifted. And the volume shifted to a random time at the last 2 weeks. And we had to, you know, take a few days to adjust to that, which is of course hard. GJ is a mess. Yeah, it is a little bit of a mess. I do agree. You don't trade gold in London? No, I try to stick away from gold in London. Good, these buys are now playing out here. From the bottom of the range, but no close above here and very small range, so we need to be careful. Everyone gonna take Monday 30, gonna be all over the place with tentative. Oh yeah, that's terrible. Oof. Yeah, Monday, guys, we have a lot of headache here on Monday. Look at what we have. Monday, Bank of Japan is... And, you know, Bank of Japan is... They're really naughty with us, man. They really don't give us any indication. We have GBP climate change. It's going to be an interesting day. Wow. Check out... Oh, no. This is this Monday. Where is it? It's Tuesday for me, not Monday. Monday for you, Tuesday for me. Tentative. This should be done in the morning, though. This should be done in the morning. Press conference should all be done in the morning. We would hope. We would hope it will be done in the morning. Otherwise, we're in big trouble. Background music's too low. Yeah, I can turn it up for you, no problem. Beware of price-ins? Yeah. That's why we can have Monday to try catch it. Almost 400 of us back in here. Appreciate you guys showing up to the second stream. Sorry about that. If you guys could please leave a like, it helps get the stream out to people who missed it. So I would appreciate that. Get the likes up to 200 would really help the stream get out to people who missed the first one. Are you streaming New York session in your private group? I stream New York session once a week. New York is not my main session. My main session is London session. So that's why I stream London. Otherwise I would stream New York. But in the group I do stream New York once a week. Once a week I do stream New York. So yeah, I mean, but in the group we do discuss New York and New York plans, ascent, and all of this stuff. What session is best for gold? I would say New York would be best for gold. How can you pay with PayPal? You'll have to apply to the alternative payment method. Try LaunchPass. LaunchPass should work, and if your transaction gets declined, it's maybe just your bank blocking it. So maybe your bank is just blocking it. And if you give them a call, it will do that. So yes, next week will be DST, Daylight Saving Times. Will the live stream be moved? Yes, the live stream will be moved 1 hour ahead. If your country adjusts with Daylight Saving Times, then it's the same. It's the same. You guys will get used to it. But for me, my live stream will start at 10:30. Right? My live stream will start at 10:30. Joining the exclusive group may be the best decision you ever make. No, I appreciate that, man. Happy to have people in there. We do have the group is now open. If you guys didn't know already, I did decide to open 15 spots for this month, and yeah, you're welcome to join. Welcome to join. The link is in the description. Oh, there, Nightbot has also posted the link, so you can have a look at that there. So yeah, the reason I'm opening it today is because we have webinar on Sunday. So I want everyone to be there for webinar, and also it gives the weekend for everyone to be set up so that you guys could go on the weekend through the content on the website, right? The content on the website. I just added a new video on the website, which is in the fundamental, in the fundamental. I actually added it to the, not fundamental videos. I added it to exclusive content here, you know. But this needs refreshing. So I did not refresh this one. Oh, okay, I need to log in. Yeah, I need to log in. How do you pay with PayPal? You have to apply to the alternative payment. Since we use LaunchPass, it will have to be done all manually, so that will only get done after stream. Are the live webinars repeatable? I'll be joining today. Love the channel. Yes, they are repeatable. They're all in here. I'll show you them. Everything is out of date, huh? We'll let that load and I'll show you. But yes, they are. New sub here. Welcome. Yeah, so this driving down here to the bottom of the range, I'd be very careful with possible rejection somewhere around here, 10 pips. You know? But selling into here was not really an option for me. There's not enough of a range. You're right at the support right now. So you're kind of hoping that it was to break through. I think sells below back inside this range is going to make a lot more sense. You're past all the resistances and you don't have to worry about rejection. A lot more of a cleaner range, right? 17 pips. Tiny watch zone just here, which is already 13 pips in profit. 4 hour would be clean there. 1 hour as well would be clean. 30 would be clean. 15 would be clean. So not compared to this mess. This price could, the problem is now you're kind of wondering, does price reject right somewhere around here, or does it give a little bit of a shot to 182 first? How come not many people on the stream today? The stream got restarted. Stream got restarted, so many people did not find the new stream, I guess. And then they just move on to someone else's stream. Sell into intervention? Yeah, would be better, right? To sell. Right, so now you tap that 4 hour support, so now it's kind of like, okay, will it reject or not? Is the question. I do think it has a chance. I do think it has a chance to drive down into 182 here. You know, so we'll see what happens. Hey Harry, I've messaged you on the Discord about the exclusive group. I need help with Launchpass setup. Hey man, no problem. I'll check that after stream. But what you need help with, I can help you right now. I can help you right now. The first part of the stream is still active? Which first part of the stream? Oh, that's why. It's not active, it's just replaying. It's not active, it should be replaying. Yeah, this is the only like part 2, look. That one ended, see? Ended 19 minutes ago. 15-minute stream. How do you pay in USDT? There's no USDT at the minute. It's about adding a Launchpass bot to Discord server. I do not have a server. Yes, the reason why is in the Launchpass email, you need to click the invite to the server. Once you click the invite to the server, the Launchpass bot will automatically send you a message. Dropping a like now, appreciate you. How long do I normally stream for? Normally till like we take a trade. It normally lasts around 2 hours or something. Mate, how to use fair value gap? I don't use fair value gap. Morning, Sil. Can you look at USD/JPY? I won't trade USD/JPY because of being at 150. This is just really inconsistent price action at these zones here. And now we're at the support down here. You know, you don't know if you're going to get... This could end up just being a range. I would leave USD/JPY at the moment. It's at an untradeable level. Look at this, man. This is unbelievable price action. Just be very, very careful with USD/JPY. Gold is also at the top of the range here. I think buys above 1992 are a lot better here. How much you have till here? 9 pips only. Or above here. If price closes above here, that could also be another option. Morning, just got on. Assume we're leaving GJ today. I mean, it's kind of like a love-hate relation at the moment, you know. If it moves, it moves. We have plans for it, but, you know, we don't expect much from it. Went to a Jordan Peterson lecture. That sounds cool. I think gold will surge up in NY session. Yeah, more likely it will move in NY session, you know. If every stream was 15 minutes for Harry, he would be cheering? No, I'd be bored, right? I would stream somewhere. Yeah, I think maybe buys above here could make sense. How much is our range here? 30-minute close above here is a 20 pip range. Definitely been some volume in London session on gold. $49 till this candle closes. Already in gold, yeah, from that 15-minute support. It was good, but just be careful long term. It did not close above this previous range here. Oh, before the 15, damn. Asian session. Where, down here? Or this? I think this, he was in on this. We'll wait for his chart. Yeah. Asian session. For gold, I could see a longs if price can drop and bounce up from 1897. 1897. Why would bounce up from 1897? Hey, bro, you know, 1897, a long way away, brother. I think you should be focusing on most recent price action here. Is that previous range relevant even though we have passed through it multiple times on gold? I would consider it on this trade just because it's a recent range, you know. I would try to replicate a trade above, so I would prefer to see, especially early, the trade, you know. If it was maybe with volume time, then no, but I would just consider, since gold is in a range here, you can just see how many times we've rejected off that zone. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it would just worry me, you know. Just because of where gold is, you know. If this was just a clear trending move, then we expect it to break high and respect lows. But since gold is going sideways, I would prefer to have that extra confirmation to avoid this happening earlier. Let's see if GJ wants to come and close below 181,944. Drive us down to the bottom of the range. Yeah, I think sells there could make sense. I'm in the Discord server. I didn't receive a message from Launchpass regarding. You have to send a message to Launchpass regarding the code. So did you, in the email, right? In the email, there's an invite to the Discord server. So press that and then check your DMs. In your DMs, there will be Launchpass bot. And then just message that unique code to the Launchpass bot in your DMs. Remember, in your direct messages. You just joined now? Welcome, man. Welcome. We're in the Zoom. You can join the Zoom in the live room. Can you use Robinhood to trade Forex? I'm not sure. My guys in US who use Robinhood, we don't have Robinhood here. I don't think so. I think Robinhood is only stocks. As far as I know, Robinhood is only stocks. Thanks guys for joining the new stream. Sorry about the other stream. I don't know what happened. It kind of glitched out and that was that. I appreciate you guys joining the new stream. Be sure to help me leave a like so that the stream can get out to all the other people who missed it. When is the Zoom session gonna start? It's already started, brother. We're on live. We're on live. But maybe you think a free Zoom session. That is coming soon. Where are you going to take a trade? Potentially sells below here. I'll write it on the screen so we know. Something like that. This zone I want to stay out of. And buys, I'd probably look to buy above here, to be honest, only. I think that daily support is being crossed through, right? Oh yes, we do have. So no, it's not 8, it's at 939. So just a little bit lower where my sells would come. Below the daily support. And then this daily support doesn't count because we passed through it many times with wicks. Hey Tony, welcome. We passed through it many times with wicks. Sells is not the cleanest, to be honest, on GJ. There's a lot of ranges below and above and a 4-hour break and hold of 1989 would push higher in my opinion. Hope you concur. Yeah, I think if we can hold above that, I think the best buys is gonna come above 1992. You would see a breakout kind of in New York. Boom, big breakout. Thought you said you won't trade. No, I'm not forcing anything. If anything, you know, I will go very, very low risk. If anything, I'm not forcing anything. Wouldn't you want it to cross 2K first? No. I would want to trade 2K. These drawdowns will grow me old. Oh yeah, you're still holding gold. Yeah, back to entry now, huh? Sticking to your... Send the chart. Let's see where that entry is. This one, right? Yeah, this is the problem with gold. It's just ranging. Yeah, second time, huh? I mean, your management point... Yeah. This one was close one, huh? This one had you sweating. When is my mentorship gonna start? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do my program. Maybe this weekend. Maybe I announce one spot. I'll see how my schedule is looking for next month. Now that I have the new schedule, London is an hour later. It does give me a little bit more time, even potentially before London, to do some stuff. So we'll see. Give me a sec. Be back. Just go toilet. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, 30-minute. Okay. Damn. Full sweat this one, huh? Plus, boss, I'll be glad if you can reserve me a spot. It's not per reservation. It's per application for the mentorship. The only thing I have open now is the group. The group is now open. 15 spots though. Once they fill up, I'll close it. And there'll be an exciting announcement for people in the group. Same pattern as 10 a.m. yesterday. I think we were in a different position yesterday at 10 a.m. We were lower. Let's have a look yesterday. Yesterday, 10 a.m. gold was here, right? Oh no, here. Yeah, similar spot. Pull back, but it's not the same range. This is a much clearer range. This is nice. Change of structure, close above, continue. So maybe close above here could give you continuation. That would be another trade. Buying from the bottom of the range again is hard because you've already tapped target once and it's rejected it twice. So buying again to test it again might be a bit tougher because by the time it closes, your range is just getting smaller and smaller. So I'd prefer just to buy above it now. Sorry if you answered this. Did anyone know what the spike was downwards yesterday? Yes, this was the Bank of Japan intervention. It was crazy. It's great. Who was here yesterday? Who was here yesterday when we had the spike down? Man, that was a crazy break even. That's my craziest break even. Because it didn't end you up in break even. Even if you were on time, you'll be slipped most likely. YouTube short made me laugh. We were all here? Yeah. That was crazy. Lost 10, you're lucky, man. You're lucky. That could have gone a lot. Did I go B? I clicked it right as, and even as I got slipped 7 pips. If you guys enjoying the stream, 500 of us in here. Appreciate everyone joining up. Can we do the YouTube business, please? You know the drill. Helps get the stream part number 2. You know, part number 1 failed, so. If we can get the likes up to 200 something, would be great. Win anyway? Yeah, luckily we were. If we were not looking to manage at that 1 hour level, it would have been really bad. Right? Oh, you recovered it yesterday? Nice, that's good, man, that's good. If we were not looking to manage, then we wouldn't have expected it. We would have just sat there like this, and then suddenly this big candle come, and we would go check our MetaTrader and have a nasty surprise. You know, but luckily we were actively looking to manage. We were saying, okay, closing break even. You know? GJ Weekly, it's in a range? Yeah, it is, Tony. It's in a very messy spot. Why did it happen? Because of intervention, Bank of Japan intervention. Please look at GU. Okay, I can have a quick look at GU, no problem. Oh yeah, that's at the bottom of the range now. Come on, man. That's nasty range. Very boring. Previous daily bullish. 4 hours pulled back here. I think buys on this can make sense if we get above 1.21. For selling, it's kind of similar to GJ, but a little bit easier to sell on GU. Probably looking for sells on GU below 1.2197 or something. I wonder if we would get a setup 3 here to fill this bottom of the range. 8 pips, not worth it. Also sitting at 4 hour support still. Where are you from? You like your roots? Oh, that's a complicated story, man. Search my last name, Sharp, in Google and you'll have an idea. Just type Sharp. You'll see it. There's a whole movie series. Is it me or the stream's kind of laggy? Yeah, just fast forward and it will fix it. It will fix it. If you fast forward, it will fix it. It's just because it had to be restarted. Trading DAX on the open? Man, why are you spamming, man? You have to put you in timeout. There was no, yeah, it was survive. It was a surprise, Christian. They surprised us. If GJ closes below 724 RL, I'm tempted to short. The problem is, Claudio, 182. You have only, yeah, it's 7 pips, I guess. You know, it's 7 pips, but it's that 182 is like a no-go zone, you know? You know what it's been reacting like all yesterday. So you might as well just, I mean, yeah, I mean, you could do it. But you'd have to enter break of low, and that's 2 pips. 2 pips really worth it? It's up to you. You can try it if it's your plan. Personally, I'll just wait for below 940. $2.4 pips. Yeah, plenty for you, brother. And close there. That's your take profit. And put stop loss above here. How much pip stop? Put a 34 pip stop for a 2 pip take profit. Should work out. How can you hold your position without exit early? Trust your plan. Follow your plan, right? If you have a plan to close at a certain zone, then wait for price to come to that zone. If price doesn't, like let's say you took a trade and your watch zone here was around, 5 pips from your entry. That's too early to close. But if you reject it, then you can look to close break even instead. And if it continues past it, then you wait till your TP gets hit. People should replay yesterday's video and see how on point you were with the trade. Yeah, you should watch. We can watch yesterday's video. But I don't know if you guys can hear my desktop audio. I don't think you guys can hear my desktop audio. But we should watch yesterday's video. I was like, okay, I'm out. Boom! Big candle came. Setup 5 possible on GJ? Yes, it could be. Yes, it is an idea. But, that will take time to play out, right? We need maybe 30-40 minutes. How do you mark the zone based on time frame? Tony, when you request access to the website, so if you go in the group, I'll explain after the call, you'll get access to the website and there's videos explaining that, and then that will give you exactly how to mark up the zones, and then you ask me based on that. But we keep buying what? How to avoid stop loss getting hit? Be profitable, man. Have a profitable strategy, you'll avoid it. That's how I avoid it. I can't be right all of the time. I can only be right 80% of the time, but that's enough for me. 75, 80% of the time. Long term, with my size of stop loss, long term, my win rate will fluctuate between 75 to 85%. Month to month, that's my fluctuation. Some months 75%, some months 85%. That's my fluctuation of win rate. If I was to use bigger stop losses, my win rate would be 90%. I experimented using a big stop. If I use like a 60 pip stop loss, my win rate will be 90%. But then if I hit stop loss once, it will take away around 8-9 wins. But now if I hit a stop loss, it only takes away one win, right? If you go look at the stream journal, you can see that concept. Win 16, 19, 15, 19, 16, 17, 12, 12, loss only 12. So one loss only took away one win. So to increase a higher win rate, to have like a win rate like 90%, I would have to sacrifice all of these wins, right? But now if I Right now, if I take one loss, it's only taking away one win, and that's important. Look, 9 pip loss, only 9 pips. 16 pip, then make it back next trade. But if my stop loss was big, then it would take away a lot of trades, right? And then look, 16, 16, you make back double. 12, 18, you're way back in profits, right? So one loss doesn't matter. What's important is consistency over time. And even if you encounter a period here where we have like a 16, 12, 15 loss, look at the profits that you've had before, and this all adds up, and these losses don't really make a big impact. It just makes the month slightly slower. So it's about the overall picture that you guys have to understand. That's what's important. %60 is enough with good risk management? Yeah, 100%. I know a lot of traders, big traders who are popular, who have 60% win rate. But this is why you guys should not concentrate on win rate. You should concentrate what are the results. Because if you're winning a lot of the time, it's okay. You don't, even if you take a big loss, as long as your wins cover your losses, it's okay. And it's all about in the long run, right? You don't have to be profitable month to month. You don't have to be profitable week to week. You just have to be profitable in the long run. The goal is to be profitable month to month. And you know, in your career, there will be a month where you will be negative. It is normal. You will have times in your, where maybe it's just been a really crap month and it might be negative. But most of the time, from my experience, once you build consistency, the worst month you can have is maybe minus 1% or break even, Where should I begin? You're a beginner. Hey man, first of all, welcome. Good luck on this journey. You better stick to it. You can start off with the free Forex course here. It's on my channel for free. No need to pay $500 to some guy for Forex course. Go enjoy it there. Man, I was a tank then. Miss being a tank. Look at this now. Now no more tank. Need to get back to being a tank. How long have you been trading? Over 3 years, man. Over 3 years. Lobster Jeet holding some sexy. He comes back and the market's giving him double putt, huh? Market giving you double putt today. You take all the money from the market, right? Your YouTube channel, right? Yes, of course, my YouTube channel. Be sure you're subscribed so you know when new videos coming out. There is a new vlog video coming out this week, guys. Sunday, new vlog video. Be ready. You guys are gonna enjoy it. It's a good video. It's a good video. It's about routine, and I think you guys will all want to see something like that. Do you have a course? Yeah, for free on YouTube. My course, the only course I have is for free on YouTube. That's the only course I put together. The only other thing I have in terms of structured videos would be just the exclusive content that I made for people to have so that they have exclusive videos. But it's not, you could call it a course, but I mean, it's definitely not a course price. That's for sure. Much cheaper than that. If market reaches 1994 and gives us BSL, I don't know what BSL is. Isn't BSL some cricket company? They sponsor cricket something, or that BSN? So everything I do is in that video. The majority of it, you'll have to go through a lot more stuff. Like, I'd recommend after that video, you can watch the 4-step strategy. These 4 steps, that will take you through But you just have to subscribe to the channel and keep updated with the content. I am always posting gems here, little things that are, strategies are built on layers. There's so many layers to a strategy. It's not just one layer, one or two layers. It's a load of layers. That's BSNL? Ah, okay. Buy stop liquidity. Oh, that's not the way I trade. GJ sell? Yeah, I'm looking potential sells below 181, 940 is where I would sell it. Liquidity zone? Yeah. I don't follow that stuff. SSL, secure socket layer? Yeah, for all my coders. You guys love that stuff. I'm going to have good profits trading only London session. London gives most opportunities for GJ. Yes, just this month has been slow, but the reason now, the problem is we're in this transition period. So we have to be careful when we're transitioning to the new daylight savings time. Remember guys, remember daylight saving time next week starts, right? We start with daylight saving time. Next week stream will start Dubai time 1 hour later. So unless your country does not change, the stream will start basically now, 10:30. It'll feel so weird streaming at 10:30. I'm normally halfway through the stream at 10:30. So weird. I have to change my whole schedule. Sleep 1 hour later, wake up 1 hour later, and I don't like waking up 1 hour later. I prefer to wake up early in the morning, 6:45. Have I tried Bookmap? No, I have not tried that. You're in Dubai? Yes. Yes, yes. I mean, you can still wake up at 6:45? No, because I have, you know me, man, full disciplined. I sleep a certain amount of hours. So I want to get those hours, and it takes an hour away. So if now I go to bed at 10 o'clock, I'll be going to bed at 11. So then I need to wake up an hour later. When will I get the Google Drive access? I've joined the Discord exclusive community as soon as you request. So once you request, give us around 4 or 5 hours, and then you'll start to be approved. Just have to give some time to make sure that you get approved and everything is sorted. So probably in the next 2-3 hours we'll start processing it. Have same routine, 22:40 bed and wake up 7:30. Yeah, you have to get in routine. It's really important. Not power savings, brother. Daylight savings, not power savings. Daylight savings. UK will now go to what? +3. Going to bed at 12, waking up at 7. Where's Goldinium? Goldinium doesn't go to bed. He goes to bed at 4 a.m. and wakes up 5 a.m. How old am I? Guess. If you guys enjoying the stream, be sure to leave a like. I appreciate you guys joining to part number 2. Sorry, I don't know what happened to the first stream. Pretty chill Friday, Oh, there's Goldinium. Having a nice chill Friday, and yeah. Shed light on the Google Drive. Yeah, anyone who joins the exclusive group gets access to a full Google Drive. So all my webinars are posted in here. So all the webinars recordings are posted in here. And then all exclusive content is posted on my website. So yeah, that's how it works. How many hours did you spend researching and developing strategies? If I can count how many hours I spent practicing, applying, and trialing strategies, then I haven't done enough. I don't simply remember. It's just countless. Day after day, week after week, every day trying to get better. Every day. Failing. Why is this not working? Why is that not working? And if you can remember how many hours you did, you haven't done enough. If you're trying to develop a strategy or test one. It was mostly practice, right? Price not moving, we might not get a trade today. We could use this time to reflect on the trades taken this week. Yeah, we could use the time to reflect. Yeah, let's yeah, that's a good idea. We should do a little reflection, end of week, almost end of month. We could do that. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's get Tradesharpe to 50k subs. Yeah, man, big giveaway at 50k subs. We'll do something really cool at 50k subs. But yeah, I do owe you guys the free webinar. We will plan to do that at we will plan to do that in the beginning of the month, right? We'll plan to do that in the beginning of the month. Wow, your website is amazing. What does it cost? What, to make that website? Yeah, it's not the best website. You wait and see a new website we have coming. That's a website. You guys will see it. How can you join exclusive group? It's open now. You can just join through the website. 15 spots are open. Once it fills up, I will close the spots until next month. Spots opening now. You just press join now and you can join. All the information is here. All the detail is here. And you're welcome to be part of the team. Look forward to seeing people progress. I'm very happy with all the people who have been progressing. But yeah, you know, I would... we allow people to come in. And yeah, keep it nice and small and exclusive. So yeah, that's the link. You're welcome to. Be sure to grab your spot. We have around 5-6 people joined already, so around 10 spots left. Yeah, 10 spots left. Oh, what do you like on Robert Greene books? What a great question. Everything. I love Robert Greene books. Everything. How long did it take for you to become profitable in terms of weeks or months? In terms of a year. It took me a year. So 12 months. I think your strategy is simple and easy to learn. Thanks for all the info. Definitely saves you lots of time. Appreciate you, brother. I'm glad that it's helping. Have you ever tried trading a beachside shack they show on videos? I did it last week and it was so damn hot. It was amazing watching the waves crash onto the shore. No, I have not tried. I have not tried. Do you think next month price action might start getting a bit cleaner? Yeah, definitely. Once we start, once the month starts and we finish the daylight saving gap time, right? What are these working times? Damn, 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Damn. It should get cleaner, hopefully. Next week stream 1 hour later? Yes, 1 hour later for you. And then, Brian, your time zone will adjust a week after that, right? So you have 1 week of weird time. I'm in Kenya. Should I sell now? What does you having to do being in Kenya mean that you sell? How much do you risk if you have a funded account with 10% drawdown? If you can't calculate that, I don't recommend you have a funded account. That's how it works. It's been 2 years of practice, support and resistance. You gave me light. Amazing, man. Being profitable enough, 2 trades per day. Amazing. Yesterday was the first time I hit TP on a trade. Every trade I cut too early, I'll get there one day. Damn, look at that, man. Progressing. Trusted your plan. It's good. Well done, man. Like to see it. Yeah, yesterday people recovered it, recovering the end of the month. It was nice to see. Is $50 good on a small account? Yeah, just to have fun and practice. You can deposit any amount. Doesn't really matter, right? Look, Claudio. You see Claudio? Where's Claudio? You see this 182 level? How's your drawdown now, Lobster Jeet? Oh, bit better now, huh? But now it's coming again. This is triple putt now. Triple putt this. Brownie. This is brownie coming in your pants soon. Oof. What are we saying, guys? Setup 5 here. Very tempting. 12 minutes. Close above that range. What's in 12 minutes? London Open as well. 30-minute will close bullish. 1 hour close with rejection. Damn, just woke up today. GJ is good today or messy as yesterday? 50-50 actually. It's 50-50. Any trades I take today, I'm taking super low risk. Maybe even 0.5% risk. Just for fun. Not for fun, just, you know, end of month. Just to have an option. What I'm planning potentially is if this 15-minute can close bullish, I might look for a buy as well. I have about 12 pips to this zone. Are you up for World War 3? Why did you say that? I like DJ buys today. It's the cleanest buy since a long time? Yeah, exactly. You see the setup 5? How's your week been? It was break even and then I got slipped yesterday on that position, so it's put it slightly in negative. Yesterday this big dump here slipped me, right? So nothing I could have done with that. I mean, you risk 1%, so you have 9 trades left, but if you risk 0.3, you have 29 trades. Yeah, but my strategy only includes taking 1 trade a day mostly, so I will risk 1 to 2% because I'm not going to overtrade. This war makes it unpredictable. You've had 3 Bs in a row. That's not that bad. 10 minutes here for this candle to close above. Damn, this 5 minutes super enticing. But need to take quality. No more risky shots. But I really feel this 5 will play out here. Reverse setup 3, break of the high. Yeah, this thing will fly. No top wick. Good. Now I can't. Now it doesn't follow my plan. Yeah, waiting for this 15-minute close. If it could close somewhere around here would be ideal. Somewhere around here would be ideal. Let me take it up to the next level. If it closes deep up here, it's a very tough spot for me to take a trade. GJ got you shook? Yeah, it is. That's why it does. It would, you know, you PTSD from that, especially when you see such a big candle. I was also like, I pressed the button. I thought I was out break even. I thought I lost like 4 pips. I go back and check, and it was 7. I calculated from the amount. Can we consider the thunderstorm as a fourth setup? We can consider thunderstorm as its own setup. Back in profits, huh, Zavjit? God damn. Yeah, so we don't want this candle here to close anymore too much deeper than this, so that we can take buys towards the upside. Anything closing deeper than this, it's a bit fishy. You know, because now we're buying into that 1 hour resistance. So then we'd have to be patient here, and we'd have to wait for something maybe above this resistance up here, or breaking back inside this range here. But you'd want it somewhere around here. At least this gives us enough space to get back up into your 8-9 pips. Anything bigger than this is a bit tough. Harry, if all the JPY interventions have given bearish candle, then just take GJ sells. Yeah, but the problem is that you take GJ sells and then GJ goes up. So you have to follow price action. Interventions are outside of our control. We can't predict them. So it's just something we have to just, you know, move on with. Are you using MetaTrader 5? Yes. Yes, indeed, still. If we can get the close, would be ideal. Another Japan intervention is coming now. USD JPY is pretty chilled at this spot here. I wouldn't expect it to happen right here. But saying that, that's what I didn't expect yesterday, and it happened. So, I don't know. 2 days in a row? If 2 days in a row, then I'm not trading GJ till next month. The World Cup from the future? Oh, here we go again. Till Monday? Monday is not even end of month. I think end of month this is Tuesday. We have midweek end of month. Yeah, let's see when. I think Tuesday is, yeah, Tuesday is the last day of the month. So Wednesday is the new first day of the month. You won't trade until Monday? Bro is tempting you to start the week without GJ? Yeah, man, I don't. That's weird. That's a weird start to the week. Hopefully Friday here. Maybe if this 15-minute closes nicely, you have a trade. Then we try that. Last chance. It has its last chance. What's the difference between simple trading and meta trading? What do you mean simple trading and meta trading? MetaTrader is just a platform to trade on. Have you tried CTrader? Yeah, I've heard it's good, you know. I think it's waiting for close. Yes, waiting for close. When is London open? It is in 5 minutes. Do you think Halloween will scare the market? No, no. I wish I could scare the market to the upside. Market scare Halloween? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, if any news like that comes out, then yeah, gold will definitely move. Took out a second mortgage and longed it yesterday? Damn. I swear the nearest Walmart could scan the 30-minute chart on gold. Yeah, Lobster Jeet is going through emotional times. Red and blue. Give me a sec, I'll be back waiting for this candle close here, and then we'll make a decision. Alright, 1 minute, 2 minutes for this candle to close. We need to close above here, preferably above this resistance here. Oops. This resistance right here would be preferred. Yep, that's where the 5 minutes rejecting right now. So I'd prefer to see a close above this zone. If not, then yeah, we wait. Look at that. Last minute. This is why we wait for closures, right? Last minute this thing is flipping. It will close the 1 hour bearish. This 1 hour will be very interesting to see if it closes below back inside the range or not. One minute. If this 1 minute candle closes above, damn, that would be amazing liquidity grab to continue towards the upside. That's why I don't trust 5 minute. Yeah, I told you it's looking juicy, but not with this volume. With this volume, it's not enough volume for us to use 5 entries. There's just no momentum. That's when there's more momentum, we can use that idea. Yeah, I need the 30 minute also to flip here. Yeah, looks like it won't close above. No, MetaTrader has no advantage. I just use it to mark up, just to enter trades, and I mark my charts on Tradingview because it's a lot cleaner interface. If you guys are enjoying the stream, be sure to leave a like. Would appreciate it. You know the drill. YouTube business. Alright, so we have London open here. 50-minute candle close with not much information here. 30-minute candle also closing at support basically. 1 hour candle closing back inside of the range here, which is right at support right here. If we were to just drag this down just a little bit, you can see it closed right at support. Let's see, fully accurate. You can see fully closed at support. This could end up going towards the upside if we still do get a close above this resistance here. And I think that's how I'll play it. Is that anything leaving this resistance, upside makes sense. And then below here also makes sense if we have a candle closing below this resistance here. So I want to see if it was to close below, you know, what would it be? Like a 15-14 pip candle would make sense. But let's see. Maybe this next 15-minute candle can close above. What time did this BS candle come? 10:45. This is literally before London Open. This 50-minute candle was this one we had yesterday. Can you believe that? This candle. So yeah, probably wait for this 50-minute candle to close above, and then that would be the option. 940, which support 940? Just this one here. 940 is a daily support. That's why it's 940. I still prefer the buys though. Yesterday, big FU candle of all time. Oh yeah, man. That was definitely something interesting. Can you realize laser day selling candle? Not sure what that question means, man. Sorry. Whoa, this water's way too full, man. What the hell? Look how full this is. Shit. How do they fill? How do you want me to? Need to do it fast, because you do it slow, it's gonna drip down. You do it fast, we'll get it in the gas. Ready? 1, 2, up. Ah, shit. Didn't work, guys. Didn't work. Wasn't fast enough. Wasn't fast enough. Holy shit. Now ugh. Raining inside my room, I guess. Oh yeah, I could have sipped it first. It's all good, it's all good. At least they forgot to put stop loss for the water. Yeah, exactly. My full glass of water fell on your extension cord. Yeah, that's not a good place for it to fall, eh? You're out in relief now, just 1,100 down from profits. Unfortunate, man, more wins ahead. You closed or what? Oh shit, that's nasty candle, huh? That's a nasty. This is a full triple putt. Yeah, gold is not a game. Now it will TP? Yeah, typical. I hope GJ doesn't do the same to us. How is this 15-minute range still relevant? Because of this support. Oh, this one right here. Because this is our yesterday's range. So I'm just using it as a... we could see how much it reacted off the range, right? You could see how much reaction there was. So I'm using it as basically a zone that we can see potential reaction from, which we have been getting potential reaction. It's also part of the 4-hour zone, right? It's just where this 4-hour wick is. So now the next zone I'm interested in is where I'm looking for potential sells here. But we need to close below, and I need next candle to make a good top wick, not just a small one, a good one. Because I don't trust GJ this week. This week GJ inconsistency, it's like it will put you on a 60%, 70% win rate max this week, you know? It's not like we're having good volume here. This is a week where we just need to, you know, kind of let it pass, to be honest. You Harry Wagwan fam? Hey man. Feel like this whole month has been weird for GJ? No, not really. If we look at the beginning of the month here, it was pretty clean in the beginning of the month. Good wins here. Around here. So beginning of the month, some good wins. Off stream, a lot of trades off stream. 18 pip, nice 18 pip win here. 10 pip win here. So not bad. Is the stream rate for this a month or how long now? The stream win rate has been going on since June. No, July. No, that's June. That's June. Yeah, since June. Since June. That's a lot of trades on live stream. But yeah, London session this month, very interesting. Just entered the group, can't wait. Welcome to the group, man. Appreciate you having you here, and yeah, look forward to seeing your progression. Just remember, this message you sent was a direct message to me, so if you want to send a message to everyone, then make sure you in Zoom you make sure you're sending it to add everyone. If you guys enjoying the stream, leave a like, would appreciate it. And yeah, was aware, thanks. All good, man, all good. Some live Forex YouTubers delete their live losses videos. Just realized you never do that. Oh yeah, I keep everything transparent. And every single stream, you can go back and watch. But yeah, I have seen that before. Some Forex live streamers, if they take a loss on stream, they will delete the live stream. But you guys know, like, you're watching live. You know, you guys are watching live. I can't hide that. How can I hide that from you? If I take I'm only trying to fool people who are joining, but you guys really know, right? I'm here as well. The one face promise payments in China. Oh wow, you managed to fix it from China. That's pretty cool. Could you explain why you're looking for sells below that zone? Yeah, because selling into here doesn't make sense for me. It's too many supports. Selling on GJ is tough anyways, but if we are going to sell today, I think the best spot to take sells is going to be below here. Clean candles. Every time we broke back into the range, we managed to drive down nicely. Would be looking like a trade like this. Nice, easy trade towards the downside, hopefully. Sells are good with... Yeah, I'd rather sell because if some bullshit comes out, we're good. We can hear it twice. Yeah, you have to mute the YouTube stream. Can you show us the fib? I didn't use a fib. If the 30-minute closes strong bullish, yes, I will consider a buy, even if the 15 closes above 124. Right now, it's doing nothing. My wife is from France. Did it from her. Damn, man. Appreciate you taking the effort to get in here. Welcome, welcome. Are you using waiting for 30 or 15? Yeah, 15 would be enough for me. 15 would be enough. I'm not sure, like with this price action now, GJ is just starting to range again. You know, it will probably take maybe if it's gonna follow what it did this week, maybe a couple of hours. But we'll see. 3 minutes here. When I said that, it's starting to move. So if it wants to move, then yeah, maybe the sells come through. I don't like this on the 5-minute, all these rejections here. What market's best in London session? I like GJ. It's weekend, trade safe and enjoy the weekend. Yeah, exactly. Sells below 945. Yeah, around 940 would be good. Let's see this close here. About 1 minute. We'll see if we can get a close below. If we can get a close below, could look interesting here. Could look very interesting. Yeah, we don't want it to push like too deep here. This is the only thing. See if we get a close below. "44 seconds. We'll see if it closes below or not. Damn, big retracement, huh? That's why we wait. Yeah, this is not closing below here, guys. I have to wait for a closure below. Does not follow my plan. I need a close below this zone. We have nothing closing below. This one is it's rejecting off it. Yeah. This thing could drive. It can break the lows now and go, but yeah, 10 seconds, it's unlikely. It's unlikely. Unlikely. You like GJ because you're British? Probably. Yeah, so no close below here. Still waiting for a close. Still waiting for a close. Stops. I'll put them above previous 15. Well, now wherever this 15 is, it will go above that 15. Probably no matter where this 15-minute wick lands, I'll just, if it closes below, I'll probably put it above here, the 15-minute range, because now we have this support zone here. But this could be the retest to the daily. Remember, this is a daily support as well, so we just tested the daily support. We could bounce up here and then close above here. GJ is drunk. Yeah, GJ is not clean these days. GJ is not clean in London. New York is good though. New York has been fine. Yesterday plan, I had a plan here. I wrote close above here. You can see this plan. I'll show you guys. And it played out easily. No issues at all. So that's nice to see that that's at least working. All right, Discord doesn't work. Thank you very much. Can't show you the plan. Give us a trade, bro. Give me a trade, bro. I'm waiting here as well. Harry and his computer, yeah, man. Flood said, give us a trade. I know, right? Like, come on. What do you think I'm doing here? Trying to wait. If you guys enjoying the vibes, enjoying the stream, be sure to leave a like. Really do appreciate the support. And if you're new, you're welcome to subscribe so that you can join our stream from Monday. And yeah, hopefully we start to see some more action here on stream. Stream has been a lot of information. The good thing is when we don't take trades on stream, at least we can have amazing discussions. The discussions on stream have been pretty top notch. But yeah, not much action on stream because of the volume time shifting. So once the volume time comes back, you guys will be happy again because then we start killing the markets on stream. Now it's been off stream. Look at that. Buys plans is still active here. Can close above. If this 15-minute can still close above this range, I'm still interested in it. Just stops now become a little bit, yeah, 18 pips is not that bad. It would just be really dead if price was to close above here and then the next one close back inside. I would be like, what is GJ doing these days? Yeah, will be the 30-minute close as well. Yeah, that would be nice. Yes. And we wanted to close above there, right? Look, every time the 30-minute closed above, except for this. This was very shitty, but we had a wick. But the last time, closed above, easy push. What does it mean when a trader is saying, I'm looking for a top wick, looking for bottom wick? This is your bottom wick, this is your top wick. So before taking a trade, I think in many traders' plans, they like to see bottom and top wicks. To assure that price is either, showing that it grabs liquidity to continue up to the next direction, or at least that when they enter the trade, they don't have to hold drawdown because they didn't wait for a bottom or top wick. Do you look at gold? Yeah, we do look at gold, but I trade, London session not always the best for gold, so. I'm new and enjoying every bit of it. Nice, nice. Welcome, welcome to the channel. Glad that you're enjoying the content. Finding value. What's 5 minute doing? Let's see what 5 minutes doing. Nice little fake out. Break this high, pop up to here. If GJ was super bullish and we had a lot of volume, I would rip it on the 5 here. Harry hates that word? Yeah, I do hate that word. Bet you that's the person that full margin to trade and then blows it. Yeah, I think people, they have this misconception that you know, they can go mess up their trading, and then when they trade with me everything will be fine, and then when it's not fine because I'm not 100% win rate, they blame me. So there's this misconception. Which word do I hate? Signal, signal. Full mark. Let's see how this candle closes here. Above 0.87? No, I'm looking for above 124. We'll also close. I'm waiting for this what's this called? 30-minute close. Harry, I have a 100% win rate strategy. It's you're interested? I'll pay 1% of that for that strategy, because there's less than a 1% chance that's true. Imagine someone having 100% win rate. Wouldn't that be amazing? But even with 75% win rate, long term, without emotion, if you don't make emotional decisions, you can't lose. Long term, you can't lose. But many people can't handle the swings, the drawdowns, the ups, the downs, the emotional feelings, and then they just end up losing because of that. But if you look at it as a perspective that if you keep doing the same thing long term, it's impossible to lose. So increase your risk and manage the swings, because swings will happen. You know, there's good periods, bad periods, how trading works. I don't think I know one trader who has not had a bad period. It's just unrealistic. Yeah, the internet, social media makes it seem like it's all sunshine and rainbows, but it's not. You know, plenty of traders go through rough times. Has above a 70% win rate? Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. What about the traders that have 90% win rate with decent RR? You know, let them trade live in front of you every single day. If I took only 2 trades a month, I'll have a 95% win rate. 2-3 trades a month, 95% win rate. You know, I mean, I've considered that before. I've considered, you know, okay, go big risk on those, but I rather give myself more opportunity to catch different types of moves, because those might only be a 12-14 pip move, and then you miss a 40 pip move. Someone was a really good trader with aggressive style, only 35% win rate. Yeah, if he manages risk and his wins are bigger than his losses, he can still be profitable for sure. What do you think about trading only one time frame? Yeah, it's great. That's something I would do, but you can't analyze only one time frame. You have to build a story from the higher time frame down. But to enter on only one time frame is a good idea. What do you say about Instagram traders that just sell their course? Well, they're selling a lifestyle, and then they sell on hopes that you can achieve their lifestyle without giving value. So every industry has it. No matter what industry you have, you look at the fitness industry. There's people promising you can get a six pack in 6 weeks. There are people promising you that they can make you look just like them, but obviously no. It's a genetic based game, and it takes time and dedication. So it's the same. No matter what industry you go to, there'll be cookie cutter people, and you just have to experience that. No matter even car garages, one garage will overcharge you, one garage will give you the true work. No matter what you do, housework even, people will say you need to fix this, you need to fix that, you need to do that, when it's not true. So you'll always find these people, no matter where what industry you're in, right? There'll always be these people who are just bullshitters, and that's what they are. They're just bullshitters, and they're selling their values and morals for cheap. They don't build something that's sustainable long term, because the more people that they cycle, they're only reliant on basically recycling new people. New people come in, fall for the hype, and then eventually what happens is that their values and morals and their brand image is so badly populated that they just become inexistent. Then they disappear for a while, and then they pop up and they say, "Oh, I'm back. It's new me. I'm fresh. The stuff I did in the past was all BS." They make this new image, and then they probably start doing the same thing again, and then they repeat that cycle. It's just they build no brand. They a simple way to put it is like, do not give up what you have now to try achieve something that you may want in the future, right? You don't want to ruin what you have now to get something in the future. Do not ruin what you have now to get something you have in the future, because what you have now is what someone or what you would have wanted in the past, right? You're always improving, and if you're not improving, if you're getting a worse position in life, you need to sit down and have a talk with yourself and say, if I'm in a worse position than I was a year ago, what happened? And of course, if that's outside of your control, like you lost your job or something happened, or a family problem or something like that, then you have to fix that, of course. But that's just more of a situation you're going through, right? That's not a worse position in terms of trying to get better, right? And if you're not going to get better, then someone else is. And you have to think about like that. It's a very competitive world. If you're not going to put in the work to become profitable, if you're not going to put in the work to become a better trader, someone else is. And they're just going to take your spot, because there is someone out there who wants to work harder. There is someone out there. So don't feel sorry for yourself, because someone is going to go work harder, right? And they're going to get it. That's how it works in sports. That's how it works anywhere else. And then people say it's luck. Yeah, luck. There is a small percentage of luck, but luck only helps you with time, right? Luck, if you get lucky, your time to get to certain goals is shortened. But trust me, people who reach goals too fast, they're not ready for it. And then they collapse because they didn't build the foundation. You have to be ready for it. And all of those years you work for, all of those years you grind, all of the time you work hard to build your account, all of the time you take those losses, it all adds up to the time where you start risking big. Because when you start risking big, all of those skills that you were practicing all come into use. But if you were to just get lucky once with big risk and make $10,000, you'll slowly bleed that over the next 5 months. Let him cook. Yeah, this 15-minute candle closed in the range, guys. And it's a chill Friday. It's been not the cleanest London session, but as I said, we've had good chats here. And I appreciate, really guys, I really do appreciate you guys showing up on stream. I mean, streaming is very transparent. We are going to go through highs, we're going to go through lows. And to be honest, this month was not a low, it was just slower month. And stream was slow, and that's how it's going to be, sometimes. But the conversations we have it's a community, and I think a lot of people can benefit from this. And I really do hope that we are building better traders and really helping the trading industry to realize what trading really is. Based on my opinion, based on my experience, I'm presenting what I think trading really is and the expectations we should have. I never cap my expectations. I'm always pushing harder. But yesterday, someone in the group named Simon, he said my expectations are too high. And I do agree that at some point You have to be realistic, and if you drive yourself too hard, you will make mistakes. So you know, we have to keep pushing hard, but this is the reality. Not every day is going to be a trading day. Not every day is going to be a win, and we have to accept that and move on, because look at what we've had in the past. I mean, if we did like a stream recap of all of the good trades and stuff like that, we can't complain. It's really good, and we just have to endure the slow months so that we can have success in the good months, right? So daylight saving times next week. I'll catch you guys next week at 10:30 a.m. Dubai time. I'm gonna catch you guys there, and yeah, you know, more wins ahead. That's how it's gonna work, and I can't wait for the volume to come back in, because that's what I'm here for. I'm not here to stare at a chart doing nothing. Here to make money work, and that's my goal. So look forward to seeing you guys on stream, and hopefully we'll catch you guys very, very soon. Make sure to enjoy this week's video. Still sells below here, makes sense if we get a closure, but 12 minutes here, have to wait another 12 minutes. But yeah, take it easy on Friday. Take care, trade sharp, and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. Peace.